Hello student, in this video we will learn how to find the settling velocity in a grid chamber. Okay, so this is a gate question from a previous examination. Question is, consider the following data in design of grid chamber. The specific gravity of grid is 2.7, the size of particle is 0.21 mm, the viscosity of water is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. The settling velocity of the grid particle will be, and there are 4 options. Okay, so let's start. First of all, write down the formula for a settling velocity. So it is Vs is equal to g by 18 bracket g minus 1 upon nu into d square. So what is Vs? It is the settling velocity in centimeter per second. Then g is gravity or acceleration due to gravity in meter per second square. Then we have nu, that is this nu is viscosity of water, a centimeter square per second. Small d, that is d, it is size of particle in mm, and g is, this is g, a specific gravity of grid material. Okay, so answer is asked in centimeter per second, so some values are in meter or mm, so convert that in centimeter per second. So now substitute this value in this formula. So just write down Vs is equal to g by 18 g minus 1 by nu into d square. Now g is, generally value of g is 9.81, but it is in meter per second square. To convert it in centimeter, we have to multiply with respect to or with the help of 100. So g will be 981 centimeter per second square. So that g we will use here. So 981, g is 981 by 18 in bracket g, capital G, that is specific gravity, it is given as 2.7. So 2.7 minus 1 upon nu, that is a viscosity of water, it is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is simply 10 raised to minus 2. What is d? D is given here 0.21 mm. So d is 0.21 mm. Convert it in centimeter, that is 0.021 centimeter. So centimeter value we have to use here. So d, that is 0.021 square. Now solve this. So by dividing 981 by 18, we will have 54.5 into, by solving this bracket, we have 170 into a square of this value is 4.41 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now solve this. We have 4.08 centimeter per second. So it is our settling velocity Vs. So this is a solution. Now it is in between this 2.6 and 5 centimeter per second. So our correct option is B. So this is solution for this question. Please do subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.